Hello everyone, I'm Little K. In the matching one, I might have missed a little. I forgot to mate a pattern light. Now, let's supplement this pattern light first. Click Setup. Mating. We started another line called 1200. This lamp? What about this lamp? Yes. Famous manufacturers. Robbie's 1200. Paragraph 1. Let's take a look at our previous archive. Indeed, I forgot. Robbie Class Carlos Sport 1200 Mode 1. A total of 26 units. From 110. After we choose. Select it. A total of 26 units. From 110. The address code starts with 7.1. 7.1. Pagey came in. Point closed. Okay. And then we do it again. Open this software. Let's take a look. 146 certain. Wrong press. 146 determine the switch. This should. 1200 will be lit. It didn't light up last week. No check. We have fewer lamps. Okay. Now let's do a basic magnetic window creation. Understand the operation of channel properties with basic lamps. First, I need to open my CMD win. When I turned on CMD win, this is where the screen appears. I basically do everything on this screen. In this blank state. There is a screen here, there is a screen, and there are many small dots. Let's say I start from the bottom. The bottom grid starts with a click. Release a window at random. It was from this location where I click. Extend to the bottom right corner. So I'll close it first. Click on the small yellow ball and delete it. I dot from the top left corner. It's all there. What if I put it from this place? That would be this piece. All from where you click. Radiate to the lower right. You see, right? Okay. What about these windows? We need to diversify our combinations. We need to use many windows. I use many windows. Save to this career layout. Why do you come to carry it out? Quick call. But we're going to be the first. It's just an empty screen. To facilitate us to clear the screen, go build something new. We want to save an empty screen. Then how to press the save button. Save key to the bottom. I like to put it at the bottom. Then since it is an empty screen, we call it clear. Cell. Ear. Clear screen. We only selected this one screen too. Point determined. In this way we have a clear screen. Let's say I put something in randomly, whatever you want. At this time, I click on the screen. The screen will be cleared, because this state is saved here. It is the state of clearing the screen. Okay, we were the first to try the window. What are we going to do? First I need to put out a marshal. Click on the bottom left. Found it. The first is the data sheet. The second is the word. Then we find the marshalling. What about the marshalling? Is the last in the first row. Group. Marshalling. After the formation is released, I need to be at the top. Another stage was released. Stage. Stage. Where is the stage? The stage is in this other. Other. There is a stage in this. When I put all of this out, it will be carried out. It is an operation of my window combination. Why? For example, when I want to hang a lamp, I need to use marshalling. Then go and do it on it. So I put the marshalling with it. Merge into one window. Merge into one such view. I press save. To the top. Then I hit. This is called stage. STAGE. In this way, let's say I clear the screen. I'll order it again. This one already exists. That's what I want. An attempt. Now I'm going to make a second attempt. Create a second set of attempts. The second group tried to. When I finish, I'm done with this one. This. After the stage, I'm going to do the layout drawing next. Then I'll put the clearing in the layout map. The bottom of the layout diagram. Put one in the word. Find a layout pool. That's the layout word. After the layout word is opened, a layout view is also needed to go together. Then let's open one at the top. So where is the layout view? In the others. The last layout view in the second row inside. In fact, the two of them are the same. But my layout, I don't need that much. I may only need it at the moment. 4 squares are enough. Click on this. A dot in the back. This place can be dragged. Put a small drag. For example, I put it here a little smaller. I'm dragging this over. You see I'm holding it down. This is a blue place. Drag. Instead of just clicking on this place. Click on this place and the option will pop up. Click on the blue area. You can drag and drop. Blue place. I can do the same. For example, I am now. Put it on top. Then pull it down. Put it into a grid. Then I put it aside. I can do the same. I can also put it here. This way I can be a little wider. It's just that this one is a little narrower. It depends on your personal habits. I am used to it. That's how it is. Put a layout below. Pool. It is used in conjunction with each other. Only 4 grids are used. 3 grids, 3 or 4 squares. Then put something on it. Esperanto. In the general word world. After the world word is finished. Some people may say there is no marshalling, right? There is no marshalling. Yes, there is no marshalling. How can it be without marshalling? We can do the same. But if you narrow it down, put a marshalling out, your whole window is too small, not easy to operate. We can put it in this state. Save one first. Save button press. Here we call layout 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 1. This is layout 1. Then I cleared the piece. Suppose I am now. I want to put a group out. Add this layout to the group. View. In this state, I need to save the second one. It's called a layout pool. Layout is not a layout pool. LAYOUT 2. If you say this, I will choose a group then. I choose the light, save the marshal, select the light, save the marshal, select the light, save the marshal. I can finish it quickly. This is, or I can switch like this. There is also a way. I can zoom out here. Release a view. Put my number 2 picture. Put it here with the number 1 figure. Perform this direct switch. Let's say I'm here right now. I press save. Update the No 1 map. You see, then I still need it here. Release a view. 1, 2, 3. This. Update. Let's do this. Then look, I can quickly click here. This. This is the second figure. 3 roots 4. Three roots and 4 savings. Update. 3. You can switch. If you switch, this is also convenient. You can also click here. It depends on your personal preference. This is after creating one. We need to clear. After clearing, why? Because next, when I finish the layout drawing, I'm done marshalling. Finished marshalling. I might need to do something. Materials need to be made. If you need to make materials, first of all I definitely need to marshal. After marshalling, if I make material, I might also need a red feature. Marco is inside pose. Red function. One grid is enough. And then, in the upper left, put something. Put a piece of material. The material is the number 1. 1, 2, 3. The third preset. The first one, intelligent. After it is released, reduce by half. And then what to put in the other half? I like to put it, other intelligence inside. Smart. This is how to cooperate. And then, I'll save a window. Press save. Click here. Then I hit the preset. P. R. Typo. P. R. E. S. E. T. OK. Why? This starts with creating a window. Create it like this first. When the time comes, I'm telling you. Why do I use it like this? It's a habit of mine. When this is created, maybe I'm going to get rid of it. Know what I'm going to create again. Create another small window. At this time, still, just put a material. Smart put. Bottom left. Put it on the right. Group grouping. This section is released. MHX. This is called Ma technique. Ma trick I need to put here. There is also this intelligent one with the marshalling. Intelligent. And then I want to put effect here above. It's the effect. The effect is here. Because I am missing one thing on this screen. I don't think it's very convenient. I need to put one out. A special window. One click from here. In the others. This command. This one. When it comes out. This one is the same as this one. Yes, it's the same. I need to get it removed. Click on the small yellow ball to turn it off. This one can be narrowed down one more frame. Put another smaller frame. In this state. There is one space left. What should it put in it? In fact, it should not be put like this. It should be reduced by one more. This one is narrowed down by another one. Know this. I'm going to put a red function here. Specifically for this thing that simplifies my operation. Put another red function out. For example, this place. Now you haven't thought of what to use yet. You can do this. Press the save button first. And here it is. Key points. You can program this. Programming words. Just hit P. I like to hit P. P. Programming. Programming. But suddenly say you want to. When you think about what to put in this place, you can do it at any time. For example, you click here. You make the addition. Add a what? Let's say we add one sequence or add one Esperanto or add a thing. What you think is useful? What about me? Habitual is to put this whirlpool. The whirlpool is placed here. Then what about after I put the whirlpool? I'll save it. I press the save button. I'll press it from here. Press the save button. I update it. Just click on it. Point determine is to update it. These are the basic windows. There may be many windows ahead. What is it? There is. Then I'll make another one. We clear it. After clearing it, the last row. Marco red. Next line, put this. Timecode pool. One more frame above. We'll put this timecode view inside the others. This will be the timecode. Why add red functions? I'll do some red functions to direct this timecode. Run the shutdown action. So I'm going to put a red feature. So I'm going to press save now. I'll put another sure here. I forgot to name it. What to do after forgetting the name? Now give it a name. Double click. As end. This assignment. Label. We click on it. You can name it. For example, I want to make it into a Team Eco. Typo. The timecode. This is another one, right? That might be what you need. Watch. You run this one. Queue sequence includes a state of an empty platform. Then you can do this. put this data sheet of this sequence. You can put half of it out. Right. Actuator of that sequence. You can put half of it out. Right. When you have queue, your running queue will be displayed here. When you operate, you can find out which queue do you run to, did something. We press the save key. Let's call this one called C O M T E M T. In fact, there are many varieties. For example, what else do I need? This table, I need it. I need to observe. Take a look at the lamps. What did I do? What operations were done? But do the operation. That may also require a marshalling. This is a group of lamps. Then I save it here. Then I'll hit fix this time. After doing these few, next class, we need to use it. Let's create it first. When you say during use, what do you think is inconvenient? For example, let's say I think the red function, I put a line missing. It doesn't matter if you change it again. Just update it and you're good to go. Okay, this lesson is basically a window created. Thank you.